100 count assorted sized Band-Aid brand flexible fabric adhesive bandages for first aid and wound protection of minor wounds, cuts, scrapes and burns. Adhesive bandages make a great addition to wound care supplies and first aid kits. Made with memory weave fabric for comfort and flexibility, these first aid bandages stretch, bend, and flex with your skin as you move, and include a Quilt-Aid Comfort Pad designed to cushion protect painful wounds which may help prevent reinjury. These Band-Aid brand flexible fabric adhesive bandages stay on for up to 24 hours and feature a unique hurt-free pad that won't stick to the wound as they wick away blood and fluids, allowing for gentle, pain-free removal. From the #1 doctor-recommended bandage brand, Band-Aid brand fabric adhesive bandages help protect against dirt and germs that may cause infection for up to 24 hours. Plus, wounds covered with a bandage heal faster than uncovered wounds. Apply flexible adhesive bandage to clean, dry skin for minor wound care and change daily, when wet or as needed. For proper wound care, treat with wound and antibiotic ointment such as Neosporin prior to application. Top reviews from the United States. Do yourself a favor and buy these rather than cheating out and buying bargain basement bandages. These are some really great band-aids, and I have tried quite a lot of them, and I do not want to buy cheap band-aids that are going to be falling off shortly after I put them on. I do not have any use for band-aids like that in my life whatsoever. I was very pleased with this particular brand of band-aids, and the bandages were well made, durable, and had enough adhesive on them that they would last if you take a shower while wearing them. They also came in 3 different shapes, sizes to make it possible to use the appropriate size for the right cut, scrape that you have on your body. For me, I got them because I have a bad problem with biting my nails, and I ended up using them all because I have a habit that I just cannot break. It is maddening, but this bandage made it possible for me to cover up my fingers, nails, and I was able to break up the habit for a little while at least. I was not able to do it for long enough that I can say that I don't have the habit any longer, but it did help enough so that I can at least say that some improvement was made. Also, if you were washing dishes and you got your hands wet, or if you wore them while washing your hands, the bandages will stay put pretty well after a wash or two. They may not last beyond 1 or 2 washes of your hands, but it is a stark improvement over cheap band-aids you may find at a dollar store or some bargain level store. The bandages they sell are $1 or $2. Please, for the love of God, do not ever tell me that I would be better of saving my money and buying those cheap band-aids. They are the worst things in the world that you will ever see. They are uncomfortable. These ones listed are made of cloth and are very comfortable, and they do not stay on for longer than 30 minutes, or maybe a little more or a little less, depending on what you are doing during that time. Anyhow, I think that just about covers it, at least in my opinion.